Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to unlock the City of the Deceased domain in Genshin Impact. This special domain is found deep within the desert of Hadramaveth, a vast area in Sumeru. To start your quest, first teleport to the Quasar Alinkita waypoint. This specific location serves as your ideal starting point, positioning you perfectly to begin your descent into the desert's hidden depths and uncover the domain's entrance. Once at the Quasar Alinkita waypoint, glide northeast from the cliff, aiming towards the massive arm of a giant ruin robot. Descend further near its hand, and you will discover a hidden tunnel entrance leading underground. Proceed through this passage, navigating the winding paths. This tunnel will guide you directly to the buried entrance of the City of the Deceased domain, nestled deep within the desert's subterranean network. To unlock the domain, you must solve a simple torch puzzle. The entrance mechanism is sealed, surrounded by 4 unlit torches. First, use any pyro character to light the 2 torches positioned immediately to the left and right of the sunken domain door. Then, turn around and look slightly lower to find the other 2 torches directly behind your current position. Lighting all 4 will break the seal. Once all 4 torches are ablaze, the seal on the central mechanism will be broken. Interact with this mechanism, and watch as the City of the Deceased domain dramatically rises from the sand, now fully accessible. Inside, you'll face challenges that, upon completion, yield excellent rewards. Expect to receive 40 Primogems, 45,000 Mora, 5 Dendro Sigils, and 3 Heroes' Wits, among other valuable items for your journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.